day of Isra al-Mi'raj, okay, because they don't know, okay, because of some people try to do something from themselves, and this is the problem of bid'ah, innovation in Islam. People like to create something. They say, well, this is the day of Isra al-Mi'raj, when the Prophet ﷺ went up, so we need to do something. We need to distribute some food. Also in Kuwait, maybe this was common before 30 years or 40 years or even 25 years. It was common for some people, the day of Isra al-Mi'raj, people distribute food. And also the day of al-Mawlid al-Nabawi, okay, the birthday of Rasulullah ﷺ, they used to send some food to their neighbors and their friends. Okay, they practice this. What is the origin? Allahu A'lam exactly what is the origin, but no doubt this is bid'ah, this is innovation. This is not from the Sharia. If people are doing something related to Islam, we should ask them, قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنْتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. Give us your proof. Give us your proof, please. So, people who are doing that, you should ask them. Okay, so if you know a friend or one of your family members, okay, they are doing that, you ask them, please, why you fast the day of Isra al-Mi'raj? Okay, if he has a hadith, okay, good, tell us the hadith.